back, Crypto Rico, here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, welcome back, Ape. I need you guys to go ahead and hit the like button, smash the like button. As a matter of fact, load it up with bullish comments. Keep sharing these videos wherever you guys are sharing them. I can see in my analytics that I'm seeing the ApeCoin, each video, 10 to 20 ApeCoin members joining up on the channel. So this is huge for us. And we're going to keep pushing these channels or these videos to help these new investors that are joining. Maybe they're coming from the NFT part of things to the crypto token coin sector, or there's just a lot of new investors that are coming into the space because there's a mass adoption happening. So these videos can help out with people not only noticing, entries and exits, but also learning support and resistance, which is, to me, one of the most key things that a trader should learn in the beginning stages is support and resistance. And I have some other indicators here. We have the MFI, the money flow index. We have the MACD, the volume, of course, which has just broken out. And we see this breakout. So those who are tapped in on my money bag alerts, congratulations, because, we're trading, Ape right now. Also, I want to give out a clue, a hint. You want to get in on my money bag alerts because something special is coming to money bags. That's all I'm going to say. Something special is coming to money bags. I hope you guys can read in between the lines, but something special is coming there. I'm working with some people, and there's a whole team coming behind it. So just make sure you start to get tapped in. We're not moving nowhere. This is going to get bigger and bigger. Those who are OGs in the money bags, congrats. Those who are trading ApeCoin, congrats, because, we took a trade last night at the $16 range, and we're looking good right now. I got out early last night because I don't like to leave on a futures trade. I don't like to leave my money on the table, and I took my money out so I could watch it the rest of the day and chip away. This is called gap and go trading. And what we're going to notice right now, we're not going to FOMO into anything. I woke up in the morning, I took out my money, I made some decent money on that trade last night, no problem. What I'm noticing right now, so if I wake up the next day, I say, hey, I see it's breaking now, I see the volume's looking good, everything's going on, but I don't want to FOMO in. What's going on right now? I'm going to let you guys know right now, the 15-minute chart, we have overbought. Remember, I knew it was going to go back up because we had oversold. A lot of oversold, right? So I suspect that we'll be coming down to the 61.8 range. Also this 54.9, right in these areas, and probably tapping back up a couple times, staying within this channel right here, because this is a lot of volume coming in. See, and there we go, coming peeling down, which is expected for us to trade within this channel because we're overbought on the 1 minute, we're overbought on the 3 minute, and we're overbought on the 5 minute. And now we're starting to see a peak on the 15-minute chart that we're overbought. So it's safe to say that if you took a future trade and you got out last night, it's safe to say let's wait for it to come back down to the $16 range for it to rip back up. This is healthy trading right now because this is called consolidation. So if we can stay above the $16 range, we will have a test of those all-time highs. I do see us breaking those all-time highs today and going into that $20 range. It's going to take a bit of hours. It's going to take some shilling, some sharing of the videos or whatnot, but this type of volume coming in gets me very excited, and I'm just going to patiently wait because everything has to take a breath. What goes up must come down. What is just leaving just showed up, and what just showed up is now leaving. So if this all-time high, this little breakout just happened, there's going to be a movement coming down because we see it just had a high. It just had a high, it just had a high, and a high. So we have to come down, and we see that happening on the MACD now, and we have confirmation of that. And where's that going to come down to? It could come down to this channel right here, the 1667. So we'll keep an eye on it, see if it does mark that spot right there. If not, it'll come right back down to that $16 range, 1622. Or if you get lucky, like I did, it was like 1616 or 1650, and we had a nice little ride up. But nevertheless, we're going to be sideways trading, which is okay because we're making higher lows again. Once we find a base, we start making higher lows. Boom, that's okay. Let's start consolidating again, which I believe that's what we're going to do. Notice the selling pressure got a lot bigger, and the buying pressure is not there yet. So we're going to see some movement to the downside, most likely. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and mark it. Let's just see if we're correct on this one right there. Okay, so 16666. Okay, so don't get scared of the numbers. They're just numbers. We're going to keep an eye on that mark right there. Okay, and we're going to see what's up. Right there, that's the 1 minute. So we'll go back to the 3 minute, 5 minute and 15 minutes. So like I said, and we also have the dots separating a bit right here. So it kind of snitches out with a long wick on the top and not being the body of the candle up there. Shows us that we're going to be coming down. Maybe we'll stay within this channel that we just made. Maybe not. Okay. So we'll see what's up right there. We'll remove last drawing. So right there. So we'll remove that and we'll see if we'll stay within this channel. That's what I believe. I like to trade on the 15-minute chart. I think it's more mature. It helps out a lot better. And also I want to show you guys where this was what it looks like when to get in. Hold on 1 second. So this 15-minute chart. When you see this oversold and the MACD oversold as well, that's a good indication that eventually this turnaround is going to happen. Granted, it didn't happen right away, but it did happen and take off. So it's good to watch these oversold marks and kind of make your own judgment. Eventually, you'll start to come up with your own style as you're watching it. We're going to keep an eye on it just really quick. I want to see it. Yeah, there we go. It's peeling back. So we're going to have, that support, like I said, down here, most likely in this range that we've been trading in. But I do believe that we're going to break into that $20 range today. The FOMO is continuing. We're making higher lows in the long term. We're still, if we go higher up in the charts, look at that. On the 1 hour chart, we just put a dot on the bottom. We held support right here, and we're about to rip right back up. This coin's not going to be going down like that. This has a huge community behind it, and I want to see it grow. I got a bag put to the side that I'm not future trading, that I'm holding, that I got in at $9. I got some, and some at $11 that I'm just going to hold for long term. But I'm having some fun future trading and teaching some people and helping them learn these tips and tricks. So if you guys want to learn more, tap in with me on my money bag alerts. There's going to be something special coming to money bags. You guys do not want to miss out on that. So continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.